wood, making sure it's lovely and straight. Yes, you could use a straight edge as your guide. Plonk it on there. Is there a gap underneath? Does it rock? You know, it's simple. But what if you have not got a straight edge? Well, there is another way where you don't have to lash out a load of money. No, all you need to do is go and grab the Mrs. Linen line, all right, and make this. Yes, we're going to be making something that we are, and drop this wood at the same time. Stay. You need a piece of string, okay, and a couple of pieces of wood. That's all you need, all right? I'm going to be using machines to make this, but you don't have to. You can use hand saw if you like. I'm going to take you over here. There we are. Yeah, over here we go. To the table saw. Make some room there. I'm going to plonk you down there like that, all right? I'm going to set the table saw, just a gnat's whisker, gnat's whisker above the zero clearance. Alright. Just a gnat's whisker. Okay, that'll do you. Yeah, I think that'll be about right. About there, alright? I know what to cut. Right down the middle of this piece of wood. Right? I'm only going to eyeball it. It's not that critical. But I do want to use something that's going to hold it down. You could use one of these, or you could use one of these. Plastic ones like that, which are right, but you know, they both do the job. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut a slot. Right, so now we have a slot in our piece of wood. Now, you could use a push stick if you want, but a push stick, like in this sort of scenario, you're likely to be wobbling about all over the flipping place because the piece of wood's so short. All right, now what we want to do is, well, this. Over to the bench we go. Over to the bench we go. Here we are, back at the bench. All right, so the next stage is very simply, grab your string, all right, and you've got a trapper. Yeah, like so. All right, you place it in your slot, right, and then you're going to place that over the top. Now, you could thread the string through if you want afterwards, but it's just easy this way, okay? All right, so, and I'm going to use some super glue because it's easy. And this one, after I picked it up off the floor because I just dropped it, like usual. Oh, crikey, I'm a little thing that's on the end. So I'll spare a pliers and grab out of there. Sort of being not prepared. Oh, Bugs, I know. I'll make a video quickly how to do this. Yeah. Then you forget to prepare yourself. All right, here we go. I think I got that there. It's right in there, it is. Oh, that's really annoying. I might have to cheat and do that and poke it through. Does this ever happen to you? Where your screw or nail you put in the end falls all the way through and gets stuck? Because it has to me today. Why isn't it going through? Oh, maybe I'll poke it that way. Poke it the opposite direction, it might work. This will stab myself in the hand with a bradle. You'll think it's funny, wouldn't you? Yeah, I bet you would, wouldn't you? Vindictive lot you are. Oh, sorry. I'm going to just... Oh, hang on. There's a big lump in there, look. In my super glue. Well, this one's by Irregularities, mitre stick, super glue. It's just one that I happen to have. Right, I'll use a bit of pencil. Ideally, you wouldn't be doing it like this. You don't have to use super glue. You use PVA if you want. But I'm using super glue because I want to show you quicker. Because this goes off like lightning it does. Lightning. And it's very, very frightening. So I just super glued that using my pencil. Later on I'll be putting this in my mouth or by my ear and I get stuck or something stupid like that. The sort of thing that happens to me. Yeah. I'm going to use some activator. Now, if you're worried about strength, don't use activator. Because apparently it does reduce its strength a little bit. I'm going to place my string into its slot like so. Plonk that over there like so. Remember, I just used the activator, so it should go off quite quickly. Very quickly, in fact. Probably too quickly. Right, there you go. That's on there. Like so. Okay, right. And then what I'll do, I'll then tie a couple of knots on the end of that. And you can use, a blowtorch or something to melt the end, don't fray if you want. Do it, shall we? Let's do it. Because I've got a little mini blowtorch just here. Okay, it's a bit, if you're a bricklayer, oh, hang on. That's what we use when we laying bricks. It's a brick line you just made. Well, you'd be right. You'd be correct. That's pretty much what we just made here, is a brick line. Now, the reason we took the slot in is so the actual thread, the string, doesn't interfere, doesn't make it rock. You get a nice firm fit. And this is what we're going to do, all right? To check for, straight, for true. How true our piece of wood is. Don't get me wrong, it's not ideal for doing twists or anything like that, but nor is a straight edge like that, you see. So normally, I just do that, all right? But if I haven't got a straight edge, you could use this. And all you've got to do is hook it over the end there like that. Pull it over here like that until you get to the end, all right? Now, if you've got a clamp or something, if it makes life easy for something, you can trap it with a clamp, all right? A little spring clamp or something. But I don't need to. I'm not going to bother. All I'm going to do is pull it tight, bend it over the end there like so, and eye it up. And I can see it's high on the ends and it's low in the middle, yeah? So it's catching on the end here and it's low in the middle, right? It's an easy way that you can true up very long pieces of wood. This is only 1.5 meters, but you can go as long as, as you can hold a piece of string tight enough. It'll still work. And, you need 4 meters. You can easily do 4 meters, even up to maybe 6 meters without any real issues. You've just got to allow for, obviously, the weight of the string. Potentially could sag if you can't get that tight enough. But if you get that tight enough, you're not going to get much straighter. I tell you, it works. And it's simple. And, I made this one for free. I already had this to pieces, you see. It's just a piece of string. And it's a block, you see. What do you reckon? Is that an idea? Is that a plan? If you haven't got a straight edge or you don't want to lash out a load of money. Or the other thing is, you see. Let's say, for instance, you are doing a bit of woodworking up the side of a mountain somewhere. You can't get your straight edge into your backpack, right? Well, there you go. This is compact, isn't it? You can put that in your backpack, and it doubles up as a linen line when your clothes get all wet. Know what I say? Double usage, wouldn't you say? Or even you could just lay a few bricks. There you go. Toodaloo. Don't forget to hit the like button and maybe subscribe to the channel, because then then you will get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket every time I upload another video, especially if you press the little bell icon, yeah. Toodaloo.